Think Legends, we're out here at an undisclosed location. Out here working on our next project. Our next project is a car we're doing for a good friend of mine. He's turning 40 this year, next year in February, and he told me he was looking for a Cutlass, and I found him a nice Cutlass convertible, and this car is going to be going up to my buddy High Octane Restorations up in Georgia. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing ready for his birthday reveal. It's gonna be nice. Shoot, if I didn't have my car already, I might have wanted to cop this one for myself. But beautiful 1968 Cutlass S convertible, which is actually a 442 without the 455 in it. This car's got 40,000 original miles on it, and it's only looking the way it does because it was not stored correctly. It's been sitting up, but this thing turns over first try. Engine is strong, beautiful car, and it's going to be real nice when it's done. So Extinct Legends, we doing it. You want something, you looking for something, contact me, let me know. I will find you what you're looking for. We saving these cars one car at a time, and looking forward to what's going to happen with this Cutlass. It hasn't gotten a name yet. We'll see what it's going to end up getting named. I like King Cuddy or Cuddy Ranks or something like that. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But man, it's a beautiful car, man. I'm gonna take a quick little walk around, and I'll probably get a cold start video for you guys. It's actually warmed up already. It's ready to go on the truck. So yeah, man, good stuff. And yeah, stay tuned for more Extinct Legends. We doing it, man. We not playing. This ain't a game. Sounds good. Gotta love that smell.
And I didn't rebuild the carburetor or anything on this thing. This is, and I didn't put no spark plugs or anything. I put a set of points in it, put fuel filters, changed the oil, and whatever.
So yeah, new panels, complete interior. How's the top? Do you know, or?
Top shot.
Yeah, I figured.
Well, remember I told you that's the reason the floor got rusty.
Oh, true.
Because the top ripped, and then he put a canvas over the car. That's why this thing is blistered so bad.
Yeah.
If he'd have put a decent cover on it instead of a canvas that you can't breathe,
Right. We got 47,000 miles on here.
You ain't gonna get no more original than that. That thing's never been touched. It's even got the original California emissions on it yet.
Wow. Sounds great.
Yeah, it runs great. I told you, most of the problem with these cars is that over the years, these type of cars, not so much your car because that's kind of like a family car, but most of them, everybody's coming, they pecked a piece off, or they boogered this up, or they did that, And most of these cars end up wrapped around a tree. God did a bunch of them myself.
Yeah, that sounds. It's definitely healthy. Definitely sounds good.
Well, like
Some moldings and things.
It's all original. I can't tell that it's ever been rebuilt or anything, so to be honest with you, I think it's all original.
Yeah. Can we pop the trunk? See what the trunk looks like.
Yeah, it's gonna need a trunk more than that. These cars are honestly surprisingly easy to put floor pans and trunk pans in.
I was looking last night, and I saw you. Yeah, you can get these easy.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can see
and
it.
they're not too expensive.
No, you know what this whole thing is? You know how much that is?
How much?
$90.
Yeah, I saw a couple pieces. Depending, I saw the whole floor pan for maybe 200 or 300, and then different pieces for like 100 and change.
But
So
like I told you, this trunk lid because they had a cover
Yeah.
at the shop. But I told you that Bob Anderson.
Yeah.
That's what I would do with this car. I'd go right over to Bob's. I'd buy
get all the parts you need.
Well, I'd buy a fender for $250. It ain't worth messing. I think he had the trunk lid for. I can't remember if he told me $250 or $400 on the trunk lid.
Okay.
But you know they make the trunk lids reproduction now.
Right.
So, but that's where I would start. The rest of this stuff, I mean, like the wheel wells and all this stuff in here are perfect yet.
Okay.
All the drops underneath here, other than this little on the bottom here, they're all nice. Everything inside is good. You know, because it was a California car. All this happened from being
Sitting.
That and being covered up and letting that. That's what I told my neighbor. I says, if you'd have taken the carpets out of this car and pulled the plugs out of there,
Yeah.
I said it would have been okay. I said, but like this carpet, you dump a glass of water in there, and that glass of water will be in there 2 months from now.
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's rough now, but I can't wait to see what this thing's gonna look like when it's done. And again, it only looks like this because the way it was stored, this car pretty much just kind of like rotted out. But man, it's all original numbers matching, 40,000 mile car. So yeah, man, this thing is it's gonna be a beast. I love this car. This is one of my favorite years for the Cutlass too. So, you know, we doing it. We find them, we fix them, we save them one by one.